Hot chocolate, top it off with some cream. Sip on this drink for a holiday dream. Hello, and hello, my loves. Welcome back into my kitchen. My name is Gabrielle Reyes, also known as One Great Vegan. And today, y'all, we are making Christmas in a cup. This is a luscious, delicious, cocotacular creation. It is my hot chocolate with gingerbread spice. Just in time for the holidays to warm your spirit and your soul and mystify your taste buds. Oh yeah. And it also happens to be 100% vegan, gluten-free, and soy-free. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and make ourselves some hot chocolate with gingerbread spice. So today, y'all, we are in the kitchen creating a recipe that is Christmas in a cup. It is my hot chocolate with gingerbread spice. It is incredibly easy to make, and your taste buds will be swooning with deliciousness. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some hot chocolate with gingerbread spice. The first thing we're gonna do to get this recipe going, get yourself some coconut creamer. This is gonna make sure that this recipe is full and fatty and thick and luscious. And I'm adding in about 4 cups of my creamer into my pot. I'm gonna get this nice and hot and bubbly, and then add in all of our chocolate, our seasonings, and our spices as well. Here goes our chocolate that I'm using today. Go for a dark chocolate, typically that doesn't have any milk products. Make sure to turn it back around and see, all right, what has this got in it? Does it have any milk? No, it ain't got no milk in it. All right, I'm gonna break up my chocolate pieces just so they're easier to melt on down into our nice hot coconut creamer. Let us give this a mix with our whisk. Ooh. Oh, the chocolate is already melting down. Melt down the chocolate, chocolate. Melt down your chocolate, chocolate. Okay, y'all, now we have some cocoa powder. I'm gonna add this into my pot, and I'm gonna continuously whisk it around so that I got no clumps in my hot chocolate. Mixing the chocolate around, add in your seasoning, hey, hey. I have some cinnamon sticks right here. I'm gonna add in 4 of my cinnamon sticks. Let's make it 5 because it's a 2020 Christmas, you know what I'm saying? This is just an example of 2020 summed up, but in hot cocoa. I guess we adding in all of our cinnamon sticks, y'all. The good Lord has spoken. All right, let's add in some ginger. I'm adding in ground ginger. I would say about 1/2 of a teaspoon into your pot, just like that. Okay, ground allspice. Let's add in 1/4 of a teaspoon into your pot. And next goes in that nutmeg, and this is really what I feel like brings this whole dish together. The cinnamon is fierce, the ginger is what's up, but the nutmeg's gonna come through for you, girl. So add in 1/2 teaspoon of some nutmeg. So of course, y'all, it's hot chocolate. I want that little bit of sweetness along with that bitterness of that dark chocolate. Let's add in 1/4 cup of our maple syrup into your pot, and you're gonna whisk this up. And honestly, you can add in however much or as little as you like. It just depends on your sweet satisfaction. What's your sweet tooth? You really like it sweet, or you like it a little bit bitter? Do whatever feels right for your spirit and your soul. I have a huge sweet tooth. Like, I could eat all chocolate cake, candy bars, like all day, every day. I could live off of chocolate cake. So I'm gonna add in 1/4 of my maple syrup. Whisk the hot cocoa up, and then we're gonna serve it. We're also gonna decorate it with some fun toppings, y'all. I got some glitter, I got some sprinkles, I got some other fun things we're gonna add in there. It's gonna be very delicious. Y'all ready to do this? Hot chocolate with some gingerbread spice. Hot chocolate, luscious flavor so nice. Hot chocolate, top it off with some cream. Sip on this drink for a holiday dream. There goes our cinnamon stick. Y'all, this is luscious. I mean, just look at that. Look at that creaminess. Look at that dark, rich chocolatiness. And there's cinnamon and ginger in here, y'all, and the nutmeg and the allspice too. Y'all, you best believe it's good. Let's serve on up our hot chocolate. I'm gonna get myself a big scoop of this goodness. In goes your hot chocolate. I can smell that ginger. I can smell that nutmeg. I can smell everything fierce in here, y'all. And I hope you can too. Check it out. I have my cup of hot chocolate. She's so delicious just by herself, but we're gonna make her fancy, bougify, gracify, glorify, greatify, whatever. We gonna just fire her, top her off with cream, cinnamon, sprinkles, everything fabulous. Let's start off with our coconut cream. There she is, there's my coconut cream into my cup. In go our gold sprinkles on top. Just a little sprinkle of some celebration, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. Oh, she is so cute. In goes a little splash of cinnamon on top. Cinnamon stick. Hey, there she goes. Y'all, look at this. This is gorgeous. She has a little bit of glitter on her, little cinnamon on her. Hot chocolate with some gingerbread spice. Hot chocolate, luscious flavor, so nice. Hot chocolate, top it off with some cream. Sip on this drink for a holiday dream. My loves, let's dig on in. Your girl's been waiting. Ever since I've been starting to make it, I've been waiting. Oh yes, I'm gonna sip from both, because that's what I'm doing today, and that's who I am. It's the cream with the warmth, with the ginger, with the cinnamon. Oh, y'all, this is an incredible creation we have made here today, y'all. Oh my goodness. Well, cheers to that, y'all. You saw how simple it was to make this hot chocolate vegan, gluten-free, luscious, and lovely, just like your girl Gabrielle. So why don't you get yourself in the kitchen, get yourself going, get yourself glowing, and make yourself some hot chocolate with gingerbread spice. Make sure to go to my website, onegreatvegan.com, to get yourself a copy of my colorful musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle. Tons of holiday recipes, songs, workout videos, skincare routines, everything you need to get your glow on. Until I see you all next time, don't forget at the end of the day to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye.